Bollywood stars who donated body parts. Salman Khan. Our beloved superstar Salman Bhaijan is loved by everyone for his charitable social works. He runs his own charity named Being Human. This golden-hearted man always helps children and unprivileged people. Many people are not aware of this fact that Salman had donated his bone marrow to save a little girl. Yes, one of the biggest superstars, Salman Khan, had already donated the body parts to save someone. Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka belongs to an army family, and for this reason she has been raised as a kind-hearted person. For this reason, global icon Priyanka has already decided to donate her organs after death. She has donated her organs to the Army Organ Revival and Transplantation Authority. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. A blue-eyed girl of Bollywood, Aishwarya does many charitable works, and she also had decided to donate her beautiful eyes to Eye Bank Association. Sonakshi Sinha. Kind-hearted Sonakshi always believes in social work and has been doing charity for different kinds of non-governmental organizations. This star always stands beside needy people and has already donated her beautiful eyes. She wants her eyes to see the world even after her death. Rani Mukherjee. Rani is an active social worker and does many charity shows for NGOs. Except donations and charities, Rani decided to donate her lovely eyes. She wants two blind persons to see the world after her death. Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan has been major part of many public and social campaigns. Big B pledged to donate his eyes to an NGO. Amir Khan. Amir has been an active social worker, and being a socialist and activist, Amir decided to donate every organ of his body after his death. Kiran Rao. Just like her husband, Kiran followed Amir's footsteps and also decided to donate her all organs to needy people. Rajnikant. Thalaiva Rajnikant has been doing charity for several years and started his eye campaigning 30 years ago. This veteran actor decided to donate his eyes to blind people. Sunil Shetty. Sunil Shetty and his wife Mana both decided to donate his eyes after their death. Kamal Haasan. South Indian actor Kamal Haasan started his campaigning of donating organs and made his own organs donation club. He has decided to spread real awareness of donating body in Bollywood and as well as Tollywood. His own organ donation club is doing a fantastic job and 100 people pledged their organs. Kamal decided to donate his organs many years ago. R. Madhavan. Humanist actor Madhavan donated his organs including eyes, kidneys, heart and even liver after his demise. Kajal Agarwal. She played a blind girl on screen, and after that Kajal decided to donate her eyes in a non-governmental organization. Jaya Bachchan. Like husband Amitabh, Jaya also decided to donate her eyes in a NGO. Farah Khan. Director Farah has already decided to donate every organs including her eyes to a NGO. Nandita Das. Activist as well as director Nandita always believes in charity and pledged every organ of her body. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.